Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I just wanted to come and do a close-up on the Dexter EZ-Flex kit. As you can see, the shackle links are in the down position. That's because the tires and wheels and weight is off of the system. But this is something that we installed on this unit, I'm not sure how long ago. It's actually back for us to do some frame repairs. So I'll capture that here in just a second as well. I did it in a previous video. These Dexter EZ-Flex kits, as you're going over stuff and the springs and the axles itself are moving, it dampens it this way. It's two separate pieces. And you can see there's a grease cert on the top on this side and there's a grease cert on the top on that side. And then these are thicker shackle links and they're also wet bolts. And so it's something that, check out our other articles and videos on that. We actually have a playlist on YouTube that shows us installing them. They used to be silver, or not silver, excuse me, a gold. And then they recently just changed them to a red. So, but anyways, that's just so they could be distincted. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. And, you know, if you haven't checked those out, I encourage you to do so. That does make a huge difference when driving. It helps a lot of the G-forces, bucking, chucking, and just, you know, ultimate vibration and shaking and jarring of the unit itself. Helps protect the slide outs and the suspension system. So, all right, thanks again for watching. Dustin, RV Specialist.